Okay, I need to get this pole out. All right, you guys are all in the kitchen, right? Stay in the kitchen because it's a safe spot. There's 0 chance this will fall in the kitchen.
Okay. Okay. You won't be able to get that off.
Let's see, right up there. Don't move.
Both of you shut up.
A little bit.
I don't like you.
No, don't say that.
All right, just chill, guys. If you see it start moving, tell me.
Alright.
Lightning, grab it. Okay. Oh, I can totally get it from here, right? Piece
Yeah.
of cake?
Yeah.
Need to be able to grab it halfway and balance it. I think that's pretty close. Alright, where am I gonna put it? Right there.
You have to step it over a pole.
Ah, piece of cake.
A piece of cake.
Piece of cement cake with rocks in it. I decided to paint these big beams, you know, just to protect them from water, bugs, whatever. You know, they are kind of going to be hard to get to. They'll be 2 stories up. And I might not notice if, you know, they get wet or something. I don't know, I just want to make sure they're as protected as I can reasonably make them. I think it would actually look super cool to paint all of the joists, but I don't know if I have the patience for that. I almost have everything up there removed. Okay. Now what? All right. No, wait, I got it. I grab this end with a rope, slide the whole thing that way, lower this end. Okay, good. Okay, super strap. Oh, beauty. Very nice, very nice. Okay, that one's basically down. I'll just do the same thing with the rope on that end. We'll be able to get another coat on these pretty soon. Nice. That is one high ceiling. It's like 32 feet up. This tower is 12 feet. It's nowhere near the top. I sure hope nothing goes wrong with my internet. 'Cause that's the internet antenna right up there. Not exactly accessible. All right, how do we get these suckers up? I want to paint them one more time, one more coat before they go up. All right, I also have to cut this. This is the top, and the old piece of wood like slotted right into here. But obviously, the bottom of this is gonna go across the whole thing, so I need to, cut it flush with this.